Planning a custom gaming rig in 2025? The right CPU is the heart of your build. In this video, we reveal the best CPUs for custom gaming PCs that deliver extreme performance, speed, and next-gen features. Whether you're chasing high FPS or heavy multitasking, these top picks are built to dominate. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the AMD Ryzen 7800X 3D processor, a true performer for custom gaming PC builds in 2025. Packed with 8 cores and 16 threads, it effortlessly handles high-end gaming and multitasking. Its boost clock of 5.7 GHz delivers blazing fast responsiveness in both games and creative workloads. The highlight here is the massive 96 MB L3 cache, which significantly enhances gaming frame rates and reduces lag. Built on a 7nm process, it ensures efficient performance with optimized power usage. With support for DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, it's ready for the latest GPUs and high-speed components. Though it lacks a cooler, its 120W TDP makes it suitable for custom thermal setups. Integrated graphics add extra flexibility for light use or troubleshooting. For builders wanting cutting-edge performance and future-proof specs, the Ryzen 7800X 3D is a smart high-impact choice. At number 2 is the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is a standout choice for custom gaming PC builders in 2025. Featuring 6 cores and 12 threads, this processor handles gaming and multitasking with ease. Its impressive boost clock of 5.4 GHz ensures fast and smooth gameplay, even in demanding titles. Built on a 4nm process, the Ryzen 5 9600X is highly efficient while delivering top-tier performance. It supports PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, keeping your build future-ready. Compatibility with a wide range of chipsets like AMD X570 and B650 makes upgrading simple. Although it doesn't come with a cooling system, its low 65W TDP means it runs cool with a quality aftermarket cooler. Integrated graphics add versatility for troubleshooting and light tasks. The Ryzen 5 9600X offers a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and value, making it a top pick for gaming PC enthusiasts this year. At number 3 is the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is a powerful choice for gamers building custom PCs in 2025. Featuring 6 cores and 12 threads, this processor delivers smooth multitasking and strong gaming performance. With a boost clock of 4.7 GHz, it ensures fast and responsive gameplay. Built on a cutting-edge 5nm chip process, the Ryzen 5 7600X balances excellent power efficiency with raw speed. It supports the latest PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 memory, making it compatible with the newest hardware and future-proofing your build. Although it doesn't include a cooling system, the CPU comes with integrated graphics, which can handle light tasks when paired with a GPU for serious gaming. It uses the AM5 socket, supporting modern motherboards. This CPU offers great value for gamers who want high performance without overspending. It's a top pick for custom gaming PCs this year. At number 4 is the AMD Ryzen 5 7400F processor, a fantastic choice for gamers building a custom rig in 2025. This processor is part of the renowned Ryzen 5000 series, offering exceptional reliability and gaming performance. Built on an advanced 7nm chip process, it delivers impressive power efficiency without sacrificing speed. The 6-core, 12-thread architecture allows for smooth multitasking and handles demanding games with ease. With a boost clock up to 4.7 GHz, the Ryzen 5 7400F ensures quick responsiveness and seamless gameplay. It also supports PCIe 4.0, providing faster data transfers and reduced load times, essential for modern gaming setups. Compatible with the new AM5 socket, this CPU fits the latest motherboards, making it future-proof. Overall, the Ryzen 5 7400F balances power, efficiency, and value, making it a top pick for custom gaming PCs in 2025. At number 5 is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X CPU, a powerful choice for custom gaming PC builders. This CPU packs 8 cores and 16 threads, offering strong multitasking and high-performance gaming. With a max boost clock of 4.6 GHz, it handles demanding games and creative workloads smoothly. Built on the efficient 7nm process, the Ryzen 7 5700X balances power and energy use with a low 65W TDP. It supports PCIe 4.0 and works well with DDR4 memory, making it compatible with most modern motherboards featuring the AM4 socket and B550 chipset. Although it does not come with a cooling system or integrated graphics, pairing the CPU with a quality GPU and cooler unleashes its full potential. The 36 MB game cache ensures faster data access and seamless performance. The Ryzen 7 5700X is an excellent mid-range CPU for gamers who want power, efficiency, and future-proof features at an affordable price.